What we do at Lonza and Visp is not magic or some kind of science fiction. What we do is science fact.
We are specialists in the research, development and manufacturing of the active pharmaceutical and biotech ingredients that enables a healthier world.
We are a flexible complex of industry-leading facilities, home to world-class laboratories, technologies, equipment and machinery.
What we do together. Thousands of scientists, technicians, manufacturing and quality specialists, technologists and program managers.
A multi-talented team, inspiring colleagues working together to pioneer services.
Bridging science and business, delivering mRNA vaccine drug substances to make an active and decisive contribution to controlling the pandemic.
It means enjoying the best of both worlds, working with groundbreaking technology in a world-leading hub of manufacturing excellence, as well as living in the home of fresh air, family, friends and amongst the most breathtaking scenery.
It means a whole new way of working and living, the opportunity to grow, develop and make a meaningful difference both to your career and to the lives of thousands of patients.
What we do is help people live longer, healthier lives.